So now let's see how we can work around with the render settings inside of Davinci Resolve. So over here you can see that I am in the deliver page right now, and if I were to go around over here on the custom export section, then it allows me to change out whatever settings I want. So over here you can see that there's different presets that you can select from as well, which has presets of different settings right here. So in the custom export option, you can adjust out the maximum number of render settings. But if you were to select something like YouTube, then it only allows you to choose certain settings right here, which is compatible with that particular preset. That is for YouTube right here. For Vimeo, you can see that this is what you have, and for Twitter, you have the same right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around under custom export right here, and here you can see that you can go around and set the file name according to how you want. So I'm just going to go around and type in TutorTube right here. So now over here on the export video section, you can see the format right here just like this. And here you can see that you can select out AVI or DPX right here just like this, or TIFF and whatever you want. So let me just go around over here and select out MP4 itself, which is a common format. And apart from this, you can go around and select out the codec that you want right here. So for MP4, there's the common S.264 codec and S.265. So this is widely used at the time of the recording, and this might be more standard later on as well. So you can see that you can select this as well, and then codec is coder and decoding code right here, which is used for a particular format. Similarly, you can go around, select out a resolution to be 4K right here, or you can go around and select out, let's say for example, SD right here as well. Let's say for example, if you were to select a 720p SD, then this is what you have. You can go around and select out a frame rate over here as well, and you can select out the quality to be best or least right here. So let me just go around and select best right here. On the encoding profile, you can have like a base encoding profile or high quality encoding profile right here. And similarly, what happens is that the video is rendered. You can go around and add in keyframes, that is main frames in a video every 30 frames, or you can go around and decrease this out as well. But the lesser the keyframe, the lesser the distance between keyframes, the heavier the file size, but better quality. So you can go around, you can also enable frame reordering right here. Under the advanced settings, you can see you can also set pixel aspect ratio to be square or cinemascope right here. And then there are different data levels like video or full right here. And you can also select color space according to how you want right here. So sRGB is a common one, so you can just select this out. For the gamma, you can select out different profiles over here as well. You can set the gamma tag. And over here, you can see that you can also burn in data, which is same as project. So you can go around, use optimize media, even the proxy media right here, and use different options over here according to how you can see. You can go around and enable the flat pass with clip settings or always on, or work around this as with this as well. And you can also go around with the subtitle settings, as you can see. So if you do have a subtitle, you can export out subtitles as well. But in my case, there is no subtitle. So apart from the video, you can also go around and then select out audio right here and select out codec for that audio. And depending on the format that you choose, the audio codec options are shown out. So if I were to select something like AVI, in audio, you can see that another codec for audio pops up right here. So let me just go around and select out MP4 itself and go to audio. So over here, you can see that this is the data rate right here. So if I were to go around and increase and decrease out the data rate, you can see that you can change that out as well. And on the bit depth, you can see that 16 is an option. So here you can see that you can go around and select out all of the tracks right here. So you can select all the timeline tracks, or let's say just this timeline track right here, just like this. So you can select that out as well. And under the file, you can see that you can add in different options, like you can go around, add in custom name, you can add in suffix, you can also go around and then add in subfolders right here. And over here on the top, you can go around and select individual clips as well right here. So individual clips that you may have will be exported out as separate files if you were to choose this one. But I'm just going to go around and select single clip right here. So once you're happy with all of the settings right here, you can click on add to render queue, and once you do that, you can see that this is what you have over here on the render queue. So you can click on render all, and the video will be rendered with the chosen settings and it'll be saved out. And that is how you can work around with the render settings and change the render settings according to how you like inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.